Hello. Whew, okay. Cześć, it's Harry here, and I'm here to teach you the quick trick to figuring out which eye makeup works best for your eye color. I brought in the color wheel to help you see exactly which colors work best for you. Now, when you first look at it, I know it looks a little scary and a little too colorful, but you can actually see really quickly which colors work best for you. The way it works is, you want to figure out which color is opposite from your color. If you have blue eyes, you want to go to the opposite of the color wheel to see which color grouping will contrast best against your eye color. Now, if you have green eyes, the warmer red, violets, and burgundy colors will really make your eyes pop as well. And if you have brown eyes, then you're really lucky because almost any color will work for you. Now I'm going to show you exactly how eyeshadow colors will look with respect to the different eye colors. Now for the blue eyes again, we chose the warm, golden, coppery colors to make your eyes sing beautifully. And for the green eyes, we chose the warmer burgundy colors and red violet colors to help pop against the eye color for the most interesting contrast. Now, for the girls that have brown eyes, you're so lucky, so lucky, because almost any color will work for you. But we're gonna still play with color no matter what. And in this case, we're gonna play with the green color palette. So Ruja, Carolina, thank you. I'll be finishing your makeup in a few seconds. But first, I'm gonna take Anastasia and show you the steps of how to apply your makeup. So Anastasia here has these beautiful honey brown eyes with some reflex that's a little bit of a warm red. I created a little palette from the Mystique line that shows you exactly which colors work best against her color tone. This includes Coral Dusk, Spring Light, Forest Dusk, Pine Dusk, and Date Night. All of these will work together to create a love story on her eyes. Mystique does this awesome thing where it tells you exactly where to place these colors. All you have to do is get this 5-well palette, look on the back, and follow the steps. Where number 1 is usually the light colors. Number 2 is where the medium dusk colors will go. And number 3 is usually where the dark night colors will go. First, I'll begin by taking Prosecco highlighter to really highlight her lids and create a cream base for the eyeshadow to stick. Notice how I'm using just the sides of it and not the head point to really deposit the color. Make sure you cover all of the lid. So now that you've put Prosecco all over the eyelid, what you want to do is feather out and blend out the product all over the eye socket so that there's not too much product on the eyelid. This will also help diffuse any harsh lines. Next, you're gonna take Spring Light eyeshadow and put it all over the lids. This is a beautiful minty jade green. See how I'm just pressing this onto the eye? And now you can see that the Spring Light is taking on the same brilliance as Prosecco. All right, so now you're gonna take Forest Dusk and apply it into the crease. This is following the little hole that your eye makes in the eye. Just start to sketch out the outline of your socket, just like so, stopping in a way about halfway in, creating like a boomerang C shape, and then blend away in small circles. Now we're gonna take Coral Dusk and apply it on the outer edge to really soften the edge out, marrying the forest green with Coral Dusk, creating that warmth and showing that little warm undertone that was seen in the color wheel. All right, I think we're ready for Pine Dusk. Again, trace the outer crease just to intensify the green and just blend, blend, blend. And go back in with Date Night eyeshadow, which is the brown eyeshadow here, and go back in the outer contours just to create that smoke and definition. Great, so we've managed to blend all the colors together. All right, and now it's time for eyeliner. Take a black eyeliner and concentrate it on the outer part of the eye. Apply as close to the lash line as possible, short strokes wiggling across. Now we're gonna take the green eyeliner and put it on her lower lash line. Start from the outer end and move about halfway in. And finally, the last step, mascara. For the harder to reach areas, like let's say the inner part of the eye, apply with this point of the mascara. It's almost like a little finger that helps you reach areas that you normally wouldn't be able to reach. Whew. Look how good she looks. Beautiful brown eyes with beautifully contrasted makeup. And you can do it too. Now, for you girls that have blue eyes, check out Carolina. She has the beautiful, coppery, warm golden shades on her eyes to really contrast nicely. And if you're like Ruja with beautiful green eyes, look how nice the warm burgundy colors look on your eyes. And that's it, girls. So go home with your 5 eyeshadow well palette and look at the instructions in the back. I know you can do it. Have fun.